Read our chapter 13, My World in EVS. Chinky the star lives in the sky for many years. She has been sitting at one place. Now Chinky is a star. For many years she has been sitting at one place. She wants to visit different places on the earth. One day a fairy visits her. The fairy tells her that she has magical powers. She asks Chinky the star what she wants. Chinky tells the fairy that she wants to visit the planet Earth. Now Chinky is a star and she wants to visit different places on the earth. And one day one fairy come and tells that I have a magical powers. She asks Chinky that what you want, and Chinky tells that I want to visit the earth once. The fairy grants her the wish, but no what on condition. The fairy grants one wish on one condition. For first 10 days, Chinky will be a girl. She will live in a house. For the next 10 days, she will be a fish. She will live under water. And for the last 10 days, she will be a sparrow. She will fly in the sky. And the fairy grants her the wish, but on one condition, that for 10 days you will be a girl, and for next 10 days you will be a fish, and for further 10 days you will be a sparrow. Chinky becomes very happy. Using the power of her magic wand, the fairy sent her to the earth, and Chinky was very happy, and fairy sent the Chinky on the earth. Now when Chinky is going to the earth, she will see a lots of new things. So look at all the pictures below and match them with the correct places. Birds will fly in the sky. Car will be on the land. House will be on the land. Shark will be in the water. Aeroplane will be in the sky. Octopus, water. Helicopter, sky. Seahorse, water. Now Chinky becomes a girl. Chinky is now a girl. She looks around her and finds different things. There are houses, parks, roads, and trees. Animal, birds, and human live around her. These are her surroundings or environment for 10 days. Now Chinky becomes a girl. When she looks here and there on the earth, she finds there some houses, roads, trees, cars, and parks, animal, birds around her, and these all are her surroundings. Now Chinky needs a good place to stay and a nice place to play. Look at the picture below. Think and discuss with your class which house and which park is best for Chinky. Which house is best? This, because this house is neat and clean and this house is messy. This park is good for Chinky because this is neat and clean, and in this park people are throwing garbage in the park. Chinky has a neat and clean home to stay for 10 days. She can go out and play in the clean park, but she is still worried. She wants all the places in her surroundings to be clean. Now Chinky has neat and clean house and park to play, but still she is worried because she wants that all the places in her surrounding to be clean. Now put a cross on all the things that make our surrounding dirty and put a tick on the things that make our surroundings look good and clean. Here children are planting the trees, so this makes our surrounding look good and clean. Here children are throwing garbage in a bag, so this makes our surrounding look good and clean. One man is cutting the tree. This makes our surrounding dirty. People are throwing garbage on the land, so this is also a bad habit. People are by this our surrounding will be dirty. Now after 10 days Chinky becomes a fish. She now lives in a big pond. She likes swimming in the cool water. One day suddenly something falls on her head. She sees a man throwing rubbish into the pond. She gets scared and swims to the river. The river is also not clean. Dirty water flows through big pipes into the river. Now Chinky becomes a fish and she likes to do swimming in a cool water. But suddenly one day one man is throwing rubbish into the pond and it falls on her head. By this she gets scared and she swims into the river, and the river is also not so clean because with the pipes people are throwing dirt in the rivers. So we should not throw garbage or any wastage in the rivers or in the ponds. Animals are bathing in the water. All the dirt is going into the river. She feels very bad. All the dirt is going into the river. Animals are bathing in the water. So she feels very bad. Chinky wants to make a poster to tell people to stop making water dirty. Write a message and complete Chinky's poster. You have to write one message here. How you will stop people by making water dirty. People start thinking about how they make the river water dirty. Read and mark their actions as good or bad. I wash my clothes in the river. I throw the dirt water in the river. It's bad. I do not wash my dirty clothes and utensils in river. It's good habit. When I clean my clothes, I throw all the garbage in the river. Bad. I do not bath my pet animals in river. Good. You have to color these pictures. Now after 10 days, Chinky becomes a sparrow. In the last 10 days, Chinky becomes a sparrow. She likes flying in the sky. She flies over the hills. She sees many beautiful parks. One day, she reaches a city. There is smoke everywhere. There is a lot of smoke coming out of the chimneys of the factories. You can see here chimneys of the factories. Lots of smoke is coming out from the factories. Cars, scooters and trucks are throwing smoke in air. Cars and scooters are throwing smoke in the air. By this our air is becoming dirty. The city. People are coughing, plants and animals are also not able to breathe properly, and peoples are burning garbage in the cities. लोग सिटी में कचरा जला रहे थे. People are coughing, plants and animals are also not able to breathe properly, और कोई भी अच्छे से अच्छी सांस नहीं ले पा रहा था. Chinky returns to the sky. After 30 days, Chinky becomes a star again. Her adventure on Earth was great, and she hopes that people will take care of their environment. All the other stars ask her about her journey. Now Chinky returns to the sky after 30 days, and she becomes a star again, and she enjoyed there, but she hopes that people will take care of their environment, और लोग अपनी अर्थ का ध्यान रखेंगे, अपने environment का ध्यान रखेंगे. Thank you.